This is the tutorial on how to count the data by using some criteria or more, from two criteria or more. Okay, by using the formula of sum ifs, sum if and sum ifs. Sum means to add the data to the counting the data, and if means the criteria. If the data have two or more criteria, we need to add s later on the formula. So we will use sum formula by adding the if and as ifs as a criteria. Okay, here I have some files about the type of car. It's Toyota, Hyundai, Nissan, and also the color. It's black, white, silver, and area as in Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, and also stock of cars. Okay, I think that with the similar data about it on our daily activities. So we need to uh, count the stock Toyota having a black color, and also we will count the stock car having white color in Bandung. So it means criteria. Okay, so we need to add the data that uh, has the criteria like this. So for example, we will only, okay, here, okay, just type here equal to sign and then sum is. So first we need to input the which column that we want to count. Is a sum range, the data that that we want to count. Okay, it's about stock. We will add stock. We will use the formula to add the data, so it stocks. Okay, by using Control Shift and then Control Shift and arrow to below to block all of the data from stocks, and then comma criteria range 1. Okay, criteria range 1, which column that has the first criteria, because we want to add or we want to count the Toyota car. So the type of Toyota is the first criteria from this data, and then the second criteria is color. So we need to input this column as a mark from mark column, as means it means that type of column, and then plug all the data from these columns, and then comma, and we need to type Toyota. Do not forget to add quotation mark. So we need to use quotation mark as the first criteria on type of car, and then comma. We need to input the criteria range from color. Okay, it is in column of D, so we need to block the criteria from D3 until D27, and then comma and black. Do not forget to add the quotation mark as the criteria. Okay, and then close the brackets after we input all of the criteria. That's a finish to type the criteria sumifs on this formula. So if for example we need to add the criteria, just add the criteria for this and then type about it and enter. After this, just click enter on your keyboard and the result will appear like this. Okay, we will try again. We need to count the car stock having white color in Bandung. Okay, equal to sign, sum is, open the bracket. So which column that we want to count, it means stock, it means numbers, stock, block all the data that we want to add. It is F3 until F27, and comma, the criteria range 1. It's about white car, it colors. Okay, the color is in a D column. They are on D columns, so we need to block all the data from D3 until D27 as the criteria range first as colors, and then type, the criteria that we want to count. It means white because we want to count white cars. Do not forget to add quotation mark and comma. We need to, the second criteria is about area in Bandung. So we need to block all the data here from area. It is in E column. So we need to block all of the criteria of this. E3 until E27, comma, and then Bandung as the second criteria, and quotation mark, don't forget, and close the brackets, and enter. Automatically Excel will count the results. So it means that we need to count car stock having white color in Bandung. So I have one tip. If we want to change the criteria of this, how to change the criteria? I want to change the data Toyota car having white color. How to change about it? Because you just need to change the criteria for this. Okay, stock Toyota. We need to create a new cells, and black, and stock. This is Toyota black and stock. Okay, here go to sign, sumif, open the bracket, and sum range F3 to F227 is the numbers that we want to count, comma, the criteria range 1, it's on Toyota cars, it's from type on the C column, and comma, and the criteria Toyota, just click the cells, the Toyota. Okay, and then second criteria, this round the D27 as colors, and then just comma, and click black. The column, the cells they are having this, okay, black. Just click, and after this, stock, here, 3, 5, 2. Okay, if we change it, the stock will automatically change. Toyota white, 204. We will change about Hyundai. Okay, by using this formula, you can change automatically the criteria without typing again. Okay, that's the method to make a faster formula. If we have to change the criteria to count, for example, the from car types or colors and everything, that's the shortcut to make a change without doing manually one by one. That's a tutorial how to count the data from many criteria, how to edit data. Okay, see you in the next video, and bye bye.